Sometimes all you need is a minute of silence to catch your breath and get a different perspective. Let's do this together. Wherever you are, simply close your eyes and begin following your breath. Simply count your breath as it goes in and out of your body. And allow the exhale to become one count longer than the inhale. Very good. And simply notice how counting your breath for just a minute focuses your mind and slows down your breathing. Join us for the next meditation where we're going to do the same breathing activity but extend the time and add on to the skill set to relax your mind even further. Thank you.